Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change username on Aramex application. Before we begin, make sure your app is updated to the latest version so you can access all the features smoothly. So let's jump to the process. First, open your Aramex application on your mobile phone. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the Google Play Store or App Store. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here, you'll be taken to Home section. Tap on My Account option present at the bottom right corner. If you can't find it right away, look for the profile icon. That's where your account settings are. Now here, you'll be able to view your profile at the top. Now tap on View and Edit My Profile option. This section lets you manage your personal information such as name, contact number, and address. Now here, tap on First Name box. Then enter your first name that you want to change to. Then tap on Last Name box and enter the last name that you want. Double-check your spelling to make sure everything looks correct. After you do so, tap on Save. With this now, your Aramex name will be changed. Here, you can see my name has been changed. And this is how we can change name on Aramex application. If you face any issues while saving your name, try restarting the app or checking your internet connection. Sometimes minor glitches can prevent updates. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our new tutorials and app tips.